Hello everyone! Mic test again. So refreshing here guys kasi very nature yung atake niya talaga. I mean look! Look at that. Grabe ba yung view? Ako lang literal naglalakad dito. Stairs are like room. And dito ako sa labas. Ang astig dito guys kasi look, daming puno and sobrang hangin. If you guys know. Yes, sobrang hangin dito. We are in VSU or known as Visayas State University and we're going on a detour. Tour lang tayo kasi wala akong magawa doon sa room namin. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng look! Ang ganda! Wait. Hala! Bro, look at that! Actually guys, marami namang tao na pumupunta dito. And just in their different world. Basta gets nyo na yun. Hindi ko kasi kaya kapag like I want to take a picture of myself but I have no one so kanya-kanya tayo ng wala kasi siyang okay, fine. I'll just take a picture of the ways. It feels like a movie. Grabe. Wait. I'm gonna go back sa room namin since baka alis kami or like mag-iikot din yung picture ko yung phone. Wala lang kasi ang cute. Diba? Parang parang basura lang din yung phone kaya nakatayo dyan. Wala lang ang astig guys. Wala, hindi sure kung makikita ako camera natin. Baka nga nakabaliktad eh. Pero yeah. Ito yung magagawa. Hindi ko makita yung sarili ko. I'm not even sure kung maayos ba yung itsura ko dito. But yeah, let's just hope for the best. Tina lang, I have long arms. Oh, ang ganda dito sa digital. Bro. It feels like a movie. No, hindi sure kung makikita ako camera na to. Baka nga nakabaliktad. Sina lang, I have long arms. We are in VSU. So here's everyone. Long queue. Stroll a bit and then took a picture. I'm also low bat, so probably baka mag-vid na lang ako dito sa Digicam. Pero, walang mic. And I don't know if you can hear me very well and sobrang hangin. I'm walking here na para bang, ano lang ako, local student. They are there. I'm here. Bring this camera, a digital.
Okay lang pag...
Wala na akong mic, guys.
Sige lang,
Lobat na yung mic.
pagka niyo
And,
pag-grade
Thank you, Mayor.
8. Oo. Tapos pagkadala niyo yung next level, di na ako mag-i-equal. Kailangan niyo yung pang-problema. So, Naya, kasi nga nakontak ako college. Thank you very much.
All of these are true animals though. This is a skull. An accurate human skull.
So, dito kasi mga engineering. So, we avoid that.
Amin hindi na.
So, tapos na kami ng campus tour and
Like, may number ka talaga.
inakyat mo, may bababa din mamaya.
Ay,
Tatay Louie to the rescue para mag-video.
ay, mag-ibig sa baba.
No, he's going to watch. Watch and video ata. Woo!
Feeling bad.
Hi, sir. Doon sila Sir Louie and Pinay.
In the name of the Father, the Son,
Astig! Aray ko. That was fun. It was hella fun. Ay, sana all. Woo! Grabe yung impact nila dun ah. I'm here with Sir Louie, right?
Yung ano, upo ka sa lang.
Lalanchikahan lang kami. So, nandito lang kami guys to tambay. Then after daw nito is back na kami sa dorm. We're here with Ate AJ and Kuya Alfred. Yes. Eto, pati dito sa place na to first time.
Bye-bye in general.
Yes.
Dito akong video. Nag-delete ko.
Yeah, same.
If it's not because of PBO, I'm not sure kung kailan ako makaka-visit dito.
Mag-Cebu na kami.
Last year Cebu.
Pamabulog.
Meron pa nun sa college, like,
Competitions. Ay, maraming competitions in college. In every
open for all courses naman siya.
Depends. Malay mo, may
Since globally competitive, we go international.
international.
Oh, that's nice.
Recently, sira Kuya Sherlon, nagkatera Thailand. Tapos, last month, kumadto ka Indonesia. Tapos sira, kumatira Hong Kong.
Anong kinampit nila doon natin?
Forgot. More on, pati nag-represent sa mga papers. Like, may dehera na mind, ano tawag yun? Mga nice nga study. Pero yung papapresent sa era. International.
Hello everyone. So now we're going back to our dorm, to apparel. Huwag yun na rin masyado yung mind kung sabog ako ngayon kasi hindi ako nakapag-ayos ngayon. And basically, puro lang kami trip ngayon kasi tomorrow, doon na yung exam namin for our Philippine Biology Olympiad. So, today is our free time and all day is puro trip namin. Puro trip na. Puro kami nasa labas. Pero ngayon, pagpapahinga lang kami. Since it's magta-10 na, it's 9:40. It's 9:40 pa lang. Masyado pa maaga para mag-lunch. So, we're just going to go back to the dorm. And papahinga and then magla-lunch na kami. And then after nun, lalabas na ulit kami to go somewhere. I don't know, hindi ko na matandaan. Basta sabi niya, sir, we're going to go to somewhere for sunset. So basically, sana maganda yung view doon. Tulad kanina, ang ganda ng sunrise. As well as nag-ano rin kami na slide. Kaya ayun. Tomorrow, ng umaga, baka yun yung exam namin. And then, in the afternoon, yun yung balik namin sa Kiwan. So, from bye-bye to Kiwan.
Galing lang namin ng apartment. I don't remember. Basta dorm. And now we're buying for our lunch. Punta kami ng I don't remember kung ano name ng mall. Basta mall yun. And yeah. Nag-hat na lang ako kasi walang kayo. And nandun sila. That's Ichi and Sir Louie. Actually dito, parang like mga houses lang. And then dun sa tapat is the school mismo. Or like the campus. Doon kami nag-tour kahapon. Here's the campus. Doon, sa tapat. That's what I'm talking about. Dito kami sasakay sa highway. There's the campus, DSU campus. Init. Init is mahal.
Pero mas may sa city.
Oh yes. Mas polluted.
We were going to ride a multi-cab.
Hello everyone. We're back again. We're on the way onto somewhere. Actually, I don't know where. Basta pupunta kami somewhere. We're going there because we're going to watch a sunset view. And check ako ng top ko. Kanina I was wearing a beige polo or a beige top. Now I'm wearing a black top, a black polo now. Hindi ako siya nakakapag-video because nagtamba ko ng my day. Because I know that tatama rin talaga ako mamaya. So, tignan nyo na lang yun sa IG. Yun lang. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. My hair is so sabog na. As you can hear, guys. Sobrang hangin. Wagat na yung buko. But anyways, we have to endure this kasi sobrang mahangin dito. Maraming puno and we are in an open space. Sobrang hangin, guys. I'm not even sure kung nakikita nyo ako kasi pagtingin ko sa video, ang dilim niya.